was tossed by the waves. Fear was in their eyes. The storm was raging, the men all cried. Seems we're all going to die. With our eyes fixed on Jesus, we can walk on the sea. The storms of life are defeated. Above the waves we can be. Peter cried out, said, Lord, if you're real, let me walk with you. Jesus bade him, take my hand, I can pull you through. Storm was over, the men were alone. They all understood about Jesus. Put your faith in Jesus. Trust Him if you would.